my video. On Sunday, August 3rd, I got to see a 777-9 that just did a show over Lake Washington for Seafair Sunday. And then after that, it came and landed at Boeing Field, which was really cool to see. I hope you guys enjoy seeing this 777-9 landing at Boeing Field on Sunday, August 3rd for Seafair Sunday. Here comes 777 doing a flyby over Boeing Field.
I thought those bees were like Johnny, these guys, Johnny, stand on top of it.
Yeah, this is the 777-9. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of the 777 landing at Boeing Field on August 3rd after doing its Boeing Airshow part over Lake Washington for Seafair Sunday. It was really cool to see this plane land at Boeing Field on Seafair Sunday because it didn't do that on Saturday, August 2nd, so this was really cool to see, and I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this video of the 777-9 flying and landing at Boeing Field on Seafair Sunday, which was Sunday, August 3rd. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon down below so you can be notified when I upload videos. Also, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to smash the like button. Thank you guys for watching, and if you ain't dreaming, you ain't living. Don't forget to dream big.